All right, cool.
Wonder Woman.
Thank you.
All right, thanks. You guys.
If you go with me, I'm gonna run it. I hate rabbits.
Dude, I don't want to go down.
Make a little dash, brother. I know.
Right here.
No blind fire!
I see him.
He's hit.
Blind fired me.
He's friendly, he's friendly. He's doing that all day.
Nice to see you.
Do the left punch.
Yeah. You got too much in your hand.
6 metal barrels, so we just got to get there. Let's go around the outside.
What's up, dude?
What's up, champ? What's up, swim champ?
What's up, dude? What's up, Jesse?
What's up, champ?
All right, we got them coming in from the cave side. They're coming down from the ridge. Crossfire meeting up with me. We're going to get a pump. We got to fill up one of those son of a bitches with water.
That ought to be fun.
I have taken on the liberty of filling it up, but I do require some
All right,
help.
Carl, let's set up
Hey,
360.
Jeff.
Come on, big man.
Coming, boy. Friendly up there in top Kafir.
Right to left. 200 yards, 200 feet rather.
Down on the gully on the right side there. Yeah. Guy with the dead rag's about to get moved. Sorry about that hit, bro. Clearing out that side. Shit.
Oh my god. 5.5 turns.
I hope it's pure.
And they think
Just don't make us want to drink it to make sure.
Johnny already drank it.
Oh, did
We're
it?
going to protect the barrel. Give us a 15-yard buffer.
Okay.
Carl, let's move. Hey,
All right.
Jeff, you guys.
Just go straight that way.
Yeah.
It hit me right. Oh, not really, but it's alright. I got friendly, so.
Okay.
Steve, where at?
Right, 12 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
12 o'clock. God. Yeah, we got all those guys pushing in harder on the village right now.
Yeah, but once they go in too far, we're going to be fucked.
Yeah.
Jump, rally up.
Ooh.
Yeah, I don't know where it is. Take the light. Yeah. Go off that way into the swamp.
And
You got video of this, right? He told us to do it.
tape up and
It's no longer friendly fire.
It works.
infill.
More maybe? You want to go out more still on this side, or you want to cut in ready? I feel it'd be better if we go out more.
Nice shot, man. Good shit.
Yeah, copy that. We've got someone that's head back to the village now to try and rally inside.
Push back.
Only like 5, 6 people.
We're gonna try to go like behind. We're gonna try to go behind him as much as we can. We gotta move up.
Kind of a pitch.
Are you guys planning to move in here? Are you guys gonna move in here? Or are you guys just gonna hold here? I'm gonna go this way.
We do lose contact over there, so I think there's one.
I'm just gonna go in there. If it's too hot, I'm gonna push back and I'm gonna come back this way.
Too close by the time I saw you, I got a sniper rifle.
Hmm? This guy?
Yeah.
Shoot him. Good hit. Good hit. Hey, don't be calling out hits like that. Guys, move up! Move up! Move up! Move up! Guys, that's friendly. I'm hit.
Hi there.
Hands up. Crazy bad. I'm doing good. I'm looking for some kielbasa. Well, that tickled.
You want to come with me? In the boathouse?
Sucking on pieces right now.
Oh, okay.
Is it sweet? Damn, I need some.
That's good, dude.
Corner.
You want some?
Yeah.
I'll get some for you. Come on, hold up.
I can't, I'm dead
No,
though.
I'm gonna get some for you. You can't bite into it. You have to suck on it.
Really?
Otherwise it doesn't, like, it will kill your teeth.
Really?
It'll stick to it.
Really?
You got any more meth?
You want some?
Yeah.
No, in the hotel want any meth. It's weird.
You need a medic? No, my 60's down. You need a medic? Oh, you're getting up. Kind of cool. You need a medic?
The team has taken over the oil refinery, guys.
Can we get it?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, sniper. Yo,
Where's your builder?
Yo, what did I hear about a kid? Let's get to the bird. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Yo, we lost Jut. He was chasing down Jesse Pinkman. Fuck it.
okay.
Copy that. Runners, move out. Where are they coming from?
360 security!
They were right there.
Yo, bring the packages.
Yo, bring
the
it.
packages. We need them. Never mind. You got them.
I like never go full auto. That'll go full auto.
Right?